Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make this delicious, very easy carrot cake. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to follow me on my Instagram that is linked in the description along with the original recipe link for this cake. So the first thing you want to start by doing is add your oil and your sugar to a medium-sized bowl, and you just want to mix this until it's combined. Then you want to add your eggs and vanilla extract and also mix that until it's well incorporated with this mixture. Once you've done that, you can now grate your carrots. I actually use 2 sides of my little box cutter for the carrots. You can just do 1 or 2, but I really like this. It added really nice texture to the cake, and this was my first time doing something like this. So yeah, it was really good though. I recommend you do it if you have the option to. If not, it will be just as good. But you just want to mix this with the sugar and oil mixture. Then in a small bowl, you want to mix all of your dry ingredients together until thoroughly combined. If you decide to add raisins to your cake, just take half a cup into a small bowl along with a tablespoon of the flour mixture so that later on when we add it to the cake, all of the raisins don't stick to the bottom. Then you want to add half of your flour mixture to your carrot mixture, mix that, and then add half of your buttermilk mixture. And to make the buttermilk mixture, since we're using a half of cup of milk in this recipe, I use half a tablespoon of lemon juice. You can also use distilled white vinegar. Then you want to add your raisins, and if you're adding nuts, add it in now and then mix this until combined, and make sure to not overmix the batter or your cake will turn out dense. Then you want to add your batter to our lined or greased baking pan and then put it in the oven at 350 for around 27 minutes. For the cream cheese frosting, in a medium bowl, you want to start by adding your room temperature butter and cream cheese and then creaming this mixture together until it's nice and smooth. Then you want to add your sifted powdered sugar, add half of the amount at a time, mix it until combined, and then add the rest of it. Once you've done that, just add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that is the finished cream cheese frosting. And if you want your cream cheese to be a little firmer, just set it in the fridge for around 30 minutes to an hour. I put mine in for around 30 minutes, and it was a perfect texture for the cake. And now you can just assemble and decorate your cake however you would like to, but I'm just going to show you guys the way I decorated mine in case you would like to replicate it. Once I finished crumb coating my cake, I set it in the fridge for around 20 minutes while I made the fondant decoration on top. And then for more decoration, I added some chopped walnuts on top of the cake. That's it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go. Oh my god, I almost forgot. Also, thank you guys for 500 subscribers. I forgot to mention it earlier. I really appreciate it. I was so happy when I checked, so I really appreciate it. But I really hope you guys try this carrot cake. It was so easy to do and absolutely delicious. The cake is very moist and soft and very fluffy. So if you guys try it, let me know in the comments and let me know if you liked it or not. Also, make sure to check out the description for my Instagram links and the recipe and measurements and everything for this cake. I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!